Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to download anime live wallpaper for Android. Here are the steps to download and apply anime live wallpapers on your Android phone. First is make sure to unlock your Android phone, then tap to open the Google Play Store. Search for anime live wallpaper apps. Type keywords like anime live wallpaper, anime 4K live wallpaper, or specific anime titles. Browse and select a trusted app. Examples of popular apps like Anime Wallpaper HD, Live Wallpapers 4K Anime, or Sedge, or Wallpapers Craft Anime section. Check app ratings and reviews. Look for apps with high ratings and good user feedback to ensure quality and safety. Tap Install to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Open the Anime Live Wallpaper app. Launch the app directly from the Play Store by tapping Open or your home screen. Choose Language. Here, tap to choose your preferred language by tapping on it and hit the check mark on the top right corner. Then scroll the pre-shortcut icon, then hit Get Started. Browse the anime wallpaper collection. Now go ahead and tap on Live Wallpaper option on the bottom center. Then search by categories like Naruto, One Piece, Demon Slayer, etc. Select a live wallpaper you like. Tap on it to preview the animation and full screen. Tap Set Wallpaper or Download. Some apps let you download the wallpaper to your device. Others set it directly. So I'll tap on Download. Grant required permissions. Allow storage or display permissions if prompted. Choose where to apply it. Now go ahead and tap on Set Live Wallpaper. Then tap on Set Wallpaper. Select Home Screen, Lock Screen, or both depending on your preference. Wait for it to apply. Your anime live wallpaper will now be active. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.